I try to blend my house with a little bit of contemporary, a little bit of modernism, but keeping that character of the history that's really rooted in the house already. I've always designed with texture, real finishes like stone. I've always designed with reflectivity. When it came to selecting marbles for my bathroom, Lusso's already pre-selected the most beautiful collection of Rossos, Verdes, Travertines. These stones, it seems like no matter what combination you throw it in, all goes very well together. I tend to see things really in 3D. And I think about like the direction of the sunlight. I think about reflections, space, light. I'm thinking more about the space. One of the most impactful Lusso products in my home, I think, are like the solid marble sinks. Marble is just one of the most expensive finishes that you can put into a house. It is the highlight, the artwork, and there's just something just so intrinsically beautiful about it. There's no better designer than Mother Nature. No matter how hard we try to engineer things, true beauty is already in what God has given us. All we're doing is reforming it to fit into our houses.